How is it going? My name is Dominic and you're watching Tech Killer. On today's video I'm gonna show you how to book a porter. Just click on this porter application here and just click on download, so it will get downloaded here. Click on install. Once it successfully gets downloaded, just open this and just register here. Just click on everything okay here. Just a second guys, it's getting loaded. Now verify your mobile number and an email ID. Now what food do you want to send? I am booking a truck because my product is cannot carried by a two-wheeler. Just click on local. I'm just want to send my product to a local address itself. Just enter whomever you want to send the product. Just click on this. I'm just sending into Begur. I'm just clicking on that and confirm the location and click on here name and receiver's mobile receiver contact number and a name. Just click on save and proceed. Just click on this here, proceed, and just click on goods type. Just click on goods type now here. You need to select the vehicle first, so I'm selecting first one. Now just click on goods type, what kind of goods you're sending, and just for a reference guys, just click on goods type now here. I am sending a medical, all that equipments or products. So that's all guys, you are good to go. That's all. Just click on book. If you're watching my videos for the first time, so if it was helpful, please like, comment, share and subscribe with your friends.